The 1989 Chevrolet Corvette, valued at $7,600, remains a sought-after American sports car in 2026. Its iconic design features a wedge-shaped silhouette and pop-up headlights, symbolizing both a classic aesthetic and high-performance ambition from the late 1980s. Under the hood, the 5.7-liter TPI V8 engine, coupled with the ZF 6-speed manual transmission, delivers pure power and torque, making this classic an instant favorite among enthusiasts. In 2022, the ZF 6-speed manual transmission was considered the benchmark for American muscle cars. It offers a tangible, mechanical experience that contrasts with today's silent electric vehicles. While the car is perfect for weekend use or daily drive, its unique qualities make it a valuable investment today due to its rare mechanical feel and connection to the road. In conclusion, the 1989 Chevrolet Corvette in 2026 is truly worth considering, offering enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own a tangible, classic American sports car that still stands the test of time. 1996 Jaguar XJ6 worth for $1,000 in Fort Worth, Texas. Cars come in various forms, some you buy based on practicality, and others for their emotional appeal. Today's topic is a 1996 Jaguar XJ6, a classic British sedan used as a daily drive from Fort Worth to Dallas, but facing potential reliability issues in 6 years. The costs of maintenance are high, including a new battery $850, a C-System $3,500, spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, and multiple repairs $7,000, but the XJ6's charm captivates enthusiasts. The XJ6's timeless design, classic British cabin style, and impressive performance make it stand out in a high-maintenance automotive landscape, challenging the modern SUVs and luxury barges. However, it's not without its flaws, such as an inoperative sunroof, broken radio, and speed sensor issues, which may discourage potential buyers. In 2026, the XJ6's appeal remains solid, but potential buyers should weigh its imperfections and consider that they can allocate the time and effort required to maintain this classic luxury car. What are your thoughts on purchasing this project in 6 years? Let us know in the comments. A 1997 Mazda MX-5 Miata in Pflugerville, TX, valued at $6,500 oboe, remains the original affordable joystick in 2026 as the final year of the first generation. This midsize car boasts 110,851 miles and a revving, drivable engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. Inside, you'll find the famous MX-5's rev-happy engine, 5-speed manual setup, hard dog roll bar, flying Miata VMAXX coilovers, and a Mishimoto radiator. Further enhancing the driver experience, a carbon Miata sequential system, new halo headlights with Bluetooth connectivity, and cool alloy wheels round out the upgrades. Initially marketing the street-legal Miata, it had a significant impact at restoring the roadster segment, making affordable, fun cars accessible to a wider audience. While not as potent as modern sports cars, the Miata feels like an extension of the driver, seamlessly integrated and with the benefit of being lightweight and without unnecessary electronics. Paced at just $6,500 OBO as a time-stamped, nostalgic gem of pure driving, the 1997 Miata remains a compelling choice for the intrepid car enthusiast in 2026. Found in Wichita, KS, the 1990 Ford Mustang convertible, worth $9,500, is still a top-tier American pony car. With just 53,000 miles, this nostalgic example is a car in brilliant condition, ready for the open road. The core engine of Fox body legend has undergone significant maintenance, including new tires and a perfect convertible top. The seller provided receipts, demonstrating the dedication put into this project. In 1992, the Mustang was a budget-friendly embodiment of the V8 dream. Today, its stripped-down, analog machine offers pure driving excitement without the distractions of modern electronics. At $9,500, this convertible is a steal for a clean, low-mileage example, making it a project-ready platform for those seeking genuine driving pleasure without electronic distractions. Whether in 2026 or beyond, the Ford Mustang convertible remains a timeless classic. A 1980 Datsun 8OZX, valued at $7,000, once defined the personal luxury sports car segment. Located in Austin, Texas, it boasts a long hood, aggressive stance, and a classic T-top roof. However, in 2026, does this classic still resonate with modern traffic, or is it just a nostalgic trip? Under its hood, the 2.8-liter L28 inline-six engine with manual transmission powers the car, producing 135 horsepower. It comes with amenities like cruise control and the leather interior, competing with the Porsche 924 and Mazda RX-7 of that era. The 2.8OZX feels refreshingly mechanical, offering a direct drive experience that modern cars lack. In contrast to the hyper-efficient performance cars of today, the 2.8OZX provides a tactile driving experience that is still sought after. For a classic that captures attention without a second mortgage, consider the 1980 Datsun 8OZX. Its reliability, style, and nostalgia appeal make it a weekend treat. What would you drive in 2026? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. In 2022, the 1994 Volvo 960's worth was $2,500. Considered an understated luxury sedan and true icon of Swedish engineering, featuring a refined 3.0-liter inline-six engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. This timeless classic showcases Volvo's advanced suspension technology. The 960's timeless appeal lies in its solid build, offering a level of authenticity that luxury vehicles can't provide. Compared to contemporary premium sedans, the 960's uncluttered design emphasizes intelligence over flash, offering a spacious, elegant, and comfortable ride. Despite being a daily driver, it stands out for its classic design rather than its tech gimmicks, making it a surprisingly affordable option in 2026. Despite years of progress in the automotive industry, in conclusion, if you value classic design above technology, the 1994 Volvo 960 is worth considering in 2026. It's safe, stylish, and has the most comfortable ride on the road. 1985 Porsche 944, located in Waxahachie, TX, worth $18,000. Is the 1985 Porsche 940 for still the ultimate driver's classic in 2026? Just look at this absolute beauty finished in the iconic Guards Red with a remarkably low 41,000 miles on the odometer. This isn't just a car, it's a pristine time capsule of 80s sports car perfection that commands attention. Let's talk specs. You get that famously balanced 2.5-liter engine paired with a proper manual transmission. This specific example is loaded with the right details: a flawless black leather interior, classic pop-up headlights, and those highly coveted original Fuchs wheels. Best of all, it has a complete service history. The timing belt and water pump were just replaced, meaning this classic is genuinely road-ready. Back in the mid-80s, the 940 for literally saved Porsche. Thanks to its near 50-50 its weight distribution, it offered razor-sharp handling that effortlessly outperformed rivals like the Datsun 2.8OZX and even gave the Corvette C for a run for its money in the corners. Priced at $22,500, is it worth it today? Absolutely. In 2026, where cars are heavy, digitized, and AI-driven, the 940 offers a refreshingly raw and analog driving experience. It's perfectly balanced, tactile, and pure. Would you make this your weekend driver? 1980 for Lincoln Town car, located in Hempstead, TX, worth $5,000. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling living room. With its iconic carriage roof and massive road presence, it represents the peak of 80s American luxury. Under the hood, you've got the bulletproof 5.0-liter V8 engine delivering effortless power. Back in '84, this was the status symbol, directly challenging the Cadillac Fleetwood with its superior build quality. It's built for one thing, cruising in total isolation from the chaos outside. Compared to the stiff, overcomplicated tech in modern cars, the town car is blissfully simple. Is it slow? Yes. Is it thirsty? Absolutely. But in 2026, there's nothing like the feeling of floating down the highway in this American classic. It's slow, it's charming, and it's a statement. Would you daily drive this land yacht? Let me know in the comments. Found in Stillwater, okay? This 1973 Volkswagen Beetle with a value of $9,000 is an iconic car, defining generations of simple, reliable motoring. Equipped with a classic 1,600cc air-cooled engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a McPherson strut front suspension, the Super Beetle offers a smoother ride and better handling. Known for its improved functionality, the 1970s Beetle was a pinnacle of the platform, offering larger front and rear trunks, as well as larger taillights. While today's economy cars offer advanced technology, the 73 Beetle's raw, tactile nature is refreshing. Driving a 73 Beetle in 2026 is a pleasure, offering both a weekend cruiser and a fun, easy-to-maintain vehicle. With a growing interest in vintage vehicles, daily driving a 73 Beetle may be worth considering. The charming charm of this iconic car remains impressive in 2026, and its robust mechanical nature makes it an enticing alternative to today's electronic-driven marvels. Located in Gravette, AR, this 1979 Mercedes for ODW1-3 is worth $6,000. This legendary car's W123 chassis, the backbone of global transportation, gained popularity in the 1980s. However, in a world of touchscreens and electric vehicles in 2026, does a 47-year-old diesel sedan still hold relevance? Let's explore. The vehicle has 226,000 miles and a 2.4-liter diesel engine, providing 33 mpg and a classic German feel. Though not powerful or fast, it has a solid, heavy door thud that isn't found in modern vehicles. With the potential for a trade, this car is perfect for someone seeking unique or reliable transportation. In 2026, daily driving a 1979 diesel isn't a great idea, given the growing preference for electric vehicles. However, if you want a car that encourages a more laid-back driving experience, this might be the perfect choice. Do you daily drive a 1979 diesel in 2026? Share your thoughts in the comments.